Here I have CoolPAD Porto, and let me show you how to use the Do Not Disturb mode. So in the following device, so how to use the interruptions mode on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and choose sound and notification, choose interruptions, and here you can handle with events and reminders, callers, messages. You can choose always interrupt, allow only priority interruption. This is like Do Not Disturb mode, and you can choose Do Not Disturb with no excuses, with no interruptions. So let's tap OK. So you can choose Don't Interrupt. This is the full Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also use this as schedule, for example, when you would like to use every weekday. So you can simply choose some automatic rules to switch on Do Not Disturb. So that's it. You can go back and start using your device. As you can see, this is the logo of Do Not Disturb. You can always find the settings right here by using the sound and notification, and here by tapping interruptions, and here you can disable Do Not Disturb. As you can see, the logo disappear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.